They just issued what? Oh. What the f- Ooh, special marine warning. Wait, that's not good.
National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a special marine warning for Chandelier Sound, coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Stake Island out 20 nautical miles, Mississippi Sound, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Oh my gosh, dude.
At 5:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing gusty winds and waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Grand Bay to 6 nautical miles southwest of Pass Christian, moving southeast
What?
at 15 knots.
Huh?
Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater.
Crap!
Source,
That is
radar.
not good.
Impact, waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels and oil rigs, and create suddenly higher waves. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots and suddenly higher waves. Boats could sustain damage or capsize. Locations impacted include Ship Island, Cat Island, Mississippi Sound, Pascagoula,
That's
and
fun.
Horn Island. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible.
You can't just stop it like that. There you go.
Frequency of 162.40 megahertz.